Courgettes never tasted so good. Are these the healthiest, no sugar, moistiest, tastiest, cheesiest zucchini muffins ever? Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef, I'm Rick. Today we're going to make zucchini or courgette cheesy muffins. People say eat these for breakfast, but I say eat them anytime. So let's show you how to make zucchini or courgette cheesy muffins. Let's do this. Okay guys, what we want to do is top and tail the zucchini or courgette. Nice and steady, just take those off there, we don't want that on there. And then what we're going to do, guys, we're going to grate the zucchini. Okay, so nice and steady, grate. It's as easy as that. So if I lift this up, there we go. So grate your zucchini or courgettes. Now these are not very big courgettes, so I'm going to use two. So that's our zucchini grated, guys. Quite a lot there actually. Okay guys, so just put the zucchini to one side for now. And then what we need to do, we've got 3 eggs which I've already cracked. Just add your 1/4 cup of milk. We're going to add a pinch of salt. And a pinch of black pepper. Right guys, we need to give this a little bit of a beating. We want this beaten up. So, a nice mix in there. We're just going to give this zucchini a little squeeze here. Okay, now, not too drastic, but if we can take some of that fluid out, not too much. So give it a squeeze and put in our bowl. Okay guys, that's our zucchini in our bowl. Now we want to go in with our red pepper, which has been finely diced. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Get that in there. And then we're going to sieve our all-purpose flour into our mix, along with our baking soda and baking powder. So give that a little sieving in there. So that's our flours, baking powder, baking soda sieve. Then we want to go in with our semolina. Put our semolina in there. Now give this a little mix through. Then we want to go in with our egg mixture. Put our egg mixture in there. Our cheddar cheese and our parmesan. And give it all a good mix. There we are, guys. Our mixture made. So all we need to do now is grease a muffin tin, preheat our oven to 190 degrees and bob this in the oven. So we're just going to butter out our muffin tins, guys. Nice and easy. Then all we're going to do, guys, is take our mix and put a couple of tablespoons in each muffin compartment. But what we're not going to do, we're not going to squash this down. Don't squash it. Okay guys, all we got to do now is bob this in the oven, 190 degrees for about 20-25 minutes. That's our muffins out of the oven. So all we need to do is just let them cool down a minute and then we'll transfer them to a wire rack. There we are, guys, zucchini muffins made. Now guys, if you like what I'm doing, don't forget, share with your friends, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Mmm.